Are you interested in making passive income through writing and illustrating ebooks? In this video, we'll be discussing how you can make use of Chat GPT and Midjourney by Storybooks to achieve that. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about Chat GPT. This AI-powered writing assistant helps you generate creative ideas, refine your writing, and improve your storytelling skills. With Chat GPT, you can easily come up with compelling content for your ebook. But what about the illustrations? That's where Midjourney by Storybooks comes in. With Midjourney, you can easily create and upload your illustrations to your ebook, making it a complete package. By combining the power of Chat GPT and Midjourney, you can create a high-quality ebook that will help you make passive income. You can sell your ebook on different platforms such as Amazon, Apple Books, Google Play Books, and more. The best part is that you don't need any previous experience to get started. All you need is a creative mind, an internet connection, and a desire to succeed. With Chat GPT and Midjourney, you have everything you need to make passive income through ebook creation. So, how can you get started? First, sign up for Chat GPT and Midjourney by Storybooks and create an account. Then, use Chat GPT to help you generate ideas and refine your writing while creating your illustrations with Midjourney. Once you've completed your ebook, upload it to Midjourney and let the platform do the rest. Sit back and watch as the royalties roll in. Making passive income with Chat GPT and Midjourney by Storybooks is easy. You can write, illustrate and publish your ebook from anywhere in the world, and earn money while you sleep. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us what you think about making passive income with Chat GPT and Midjourney by Storybooks. See you in the next video.